Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Jerry from Big Little Woodcraft, and I have the trailer hooked up to the F350. We're heading, I don't know how many miles it was, maybe 20 miles up the road to pick up a load of logs for a guy. He wants milled up for his homestead. So I think he said he's got logs as big as 20 feet long. So I should have brought a saw. Those are pretty big. I can, yeah, I should be able to get them on here. Maybe. My trailer's only, yeah, we'll get them on here. But it was supposed to be a beautiful day today, and now it's raining. So I do have a rain jacket, a hat, and stuff like that, and it's also cool. So let's get these loaded up. When I get there, I'm not going to take any video of the guy's homestead for privacy reasons, but I always feel kind of funny about that kind of stuff. I'll show you the logs when I get them back. He said he's got 20 of them, and if they're 18 to 20 foot long, ooh, and he said there's some of them are 20 inches, they're going to be heavy, so I'm only going to be able to carry maybe 4 at a time. Ooh, yeah, 5. There's going to be a lot of trips. Yikes. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, we just arrived at home base. Look at these logs. We've got probably 3 or 4 more loads to get. Red oak, black oak, red oak. It looks like a black oak. Yeah, nice. We're going to get these unloaded. I think they're going to weigh about 1,800 pounds each. So let's see. So we're going to march back up there and go get another load. I have only time for one more today. This day turned into become a busy day. So let's see, it is, what time is it now? 11 o'clock. My daughter is coming at 1 to get their 5th wheel. They're coming at 1 to get their 5th wheel, and I've got to move a bunch of stuff out of the way. Ooh, yeah, I'm the north guy. A little cool today. All right, let's go. See how we're gonna get out of here. Maybe I could do a big loop. This wood yard probably looks a lot bigger than it is. I mean, I'm pretty fortunate to have as much as I have here, but it's not as big as people think it is. It's probably, what I think I mentioned it before. It used to be a baseball field. So it's like 275 feet by 275 feet. And as you know, I have a lot of crap out in here. A lot of, I call it crap. I think that's what my wife calls it. It's logs and gardens and old pontoon boats I got to do something with. What am I going to do with that pontoon boat? I don't know how to weld aluminum. I need somebody to weld a little crack in the pontoon, and then I should like to restore it. Guess I need to find anybody. Any of you guys welders on there, local, hit me up. Maybe I can do an exchange of services or something for some lumber or some welding or something, you know. So, all right, let's go get Chris's logs. He's got a lot. We got another nice haul. What do we have here? 5 more oaks. A couple big ones. I don't even really know how I'm going to get these on the sawmill. I can't really lift them. I can pick them up off of this get them off, but I can't lift them any higher, so I may have to trim them up a little bit. 3 oaks and 2 maples I see there. So I got home, I have a few more projects to do. I don't know, tell what this is. This is my old Kelly Brushog. You can see all the cracks in it. Over the years, I've used this thing like a forestry mulcher, literally. So I'm gonna weld her up, maybe reinforce it. I got some angle iron right here we'll put on it. And then we gotta work on this today. So right now I have no means to cut any of my grass. The spindles went out on this. This is my 265 John Deere, 1988. My mom bought it brand new, almost $6,000, $5,800 back in '88. But this thing died. A couple of the bearings went out in the spindles. And let me tell you, those were hard to pull off. One of them I had to cut. But I bent the heck, pull that out of the way. I bent the heck out of the pulleys just trying to get them off with a 3-jaw chuck. And that was with heat. But anyhow, we're going to get started on this. Let's get this welded up. Rinse and repeat. Heading back up to get a couple more trailer loads today. Hopefully 2 more trailer loads will do it, but I kind of feel like 3. I'm driving a ways to get these, probably about 15 miles, so I don't want to overload the trailer. I don't like to go over 7,000 pounds, 6,000 or 7,000 pounds on my trailer with logs. Try to keep it under 7 for sure, but I used the Norwood log calculator. It's got volume, board feet, and weight. Maybe one other thing, and it does it all by species, so it's pretty clever. But let's go get these. Couple crooked ones there.
Went to the hardware.
Hey, let me get my glove.
Yep. It was so nice, I literally stepped in. Bryce's like, umbrellas are right there. I grabbed the, I said I want the same color because it'll let the other ones will fade too much. It's too dark.
Yep.
And he goes, yep, that's what we do. And he goes, do you want me to just scan it on my phone and put it on Jerry's tab? I said, that would be so much easier. There's a line. So it's zing, zing, and I didn't even step hardly in the store.
Isn't that nice?
It was great. And Mike was there. He was filling in for Stephen Pintock, so I filled him in on here and he had no clue. He was so excited.
Oh, cool.
And he said to tell you hi. So, yeah, Kayla's like,
You gotta work Friday,
gotta
huh?
work Friday, and she wanted to get ready for the party.
Yeah.
She's got a babysit tomorrow for breakfast.
We've had a lot of that over the years.
Yep.
All right, here's another load. We got one more load to get. He's got a lot of wood. We got one more load, some more red oak. It's real windy out here, but so as you may recall, my mill will cut approximately 19 feet. So we cut these at 18 feet, and he's got a pile of them. Look at this. Those are big logs. It was everything my tractor had. Oh my. I haven't, woohoo, you can see all the way to here. I got all my white oak blocked in. I don't know where I'm going to stack all this stuff, but we'll have to find a spot. My daughter's camper goes there. We'll find a spot as we cut it. Let's see what's up next. Let's go finish the Brushog, welding that up. Maybe. Come on. Okay. Good enough. It's just an old 40-year-old John Deere tractor. I'm just trying to keep it from rusting more. Uh-oh, I hear ya. Come here. Did you fall? It's okay. We have a little bicycle accident, didn't we? Oh, there's Abby. Oh, hi, Abby. What are you doing on, buddy? Yeah. Gigi's inside. She's inside. Screw. That's not where your sunglasses go, silly. Put them on your head. Woo. Okay. Alright, pull this back up. This goes up here. You just missed it. I don't know what I did. Well, the spring went flying off, caught my hand, and I think I got a pretty good gash. Let's go fix that up real quick. Darn. That's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you out here next time.